Now it's time for Sasquatch. I'll be in a minute, Johnny. La 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 la. Well, that's not what I'm training you to do. That is so not what I'm training you to do. You step up, young man. Johnny Bird. Whoa, hold on. And there you go. Well, you don't take treats, do you? You just want to be petted. I can pet. I'm happy petting. I didn't bring you a toy today. Where's my Sasquatch? Oh, I'm going to get that Sasquatch. It's all right. What's the matter? Nothing startling going on around here. Everything's calm and quiet. It's calm and quiet. It's my little Sasquatch. I love my little Sasquatch. I do. I love this Sasquatch. Problem is, when you put your head down, I can't tell where your head is and where the rest of you is. You just look like a ball of feathers, Sasquatch. My little Sasquatch. My little love. And there you go. But I want to play with your beak. I want to play with your beak. I want to play. I don't want to just sit and scratch. Play with me. Play with that beak. Oh, baby. All right. I lose every argument with the birds. Every time we have a disagreement, I don't win the argument. We'll do things entirely your way, Sasquatch. My little baby bird. He's my little baby bird. I love my baby bird. My little boy. There's Sasquatch. What's Sasquatch doing? What's the bird doing? Where's my bird? Where's my bird? What was that? What was that? You're being funny. I'm touching your toes. I'm touching Sasquatch's toes. What do you think, Sasquatch? You a good boy? You're such a good bird. What an amazing bird you are. Yeah. What you doing? So pretty. Look at that pretty tail. Look at that pretty wing. It's a pretty bird. Very fluffy. Very, very fluffy. Who's a fluffy bird? Well, hello. Loves you, little one. Love that Sasquatch.